Tim coming straight at you here at the Pilot in Warrenton. We're getting a lot of work done on the roof. We got everything going on here. We got guys on the ground. We got guys up here doing the flat. We're doing standing seam metal on all 4 slopes. We did this cooler roof. Take a look at it right there. Did TPO. We got the wall here. We're cutting the PVC on the side, and everything's going good. GC's cleaning it up, and we're good to go. So we're getting ready to put some more standing seam up today, so kind of excited about that. GC's getting out of here, and we got these panels up right here. See, we're doing the turn bar around the side, 911 way. You can't beat it. We got our valley up at the top over there, and coming down off the roof. Coming down, we got a guy cutting Z. So we can tie up the things up at the top. Jorge sitting right there. And Danny and them are taking all the soffit down. So we got a lot of work to do. And even more, we got this over here. Cleaning up the side here with the forklift. And this is for Matt. These are the tiles we got. We're gonna have a few more tomorrow, so if we could plan on a Friday fucking moving all the tile out to the tandem load. We're gonna move these pallets today and tomorrow, get it out of the way of there, and here's our lumber trailer. The big problem we got, whoever left this trailer didn't put a lock on it. That's kind of a negative. Hope I don't lose my trailer. Whoever did that's gonna get charged. So if it gets stolen, not my problem. So, and we're gonna move a lot of the metal right into here by Denny's so that we can move it all the way up to the front, and then walk, cycle all the way out of this. So yeah, we got to get this much out, Matt. So you can send this to, we'll probably have one more big pile, or probably a pile and a half of this, probably to here when we're done tearing off the front roof. And then we'll have some pallets of tile to take off of the other side, and we do that section. But we'll do all that really early in the morning. That way we don't have to worry about all the other stuff. So, but this should be good for Matt and at RTR guy. Up and away.